You missed Bitcoin in 2013. You missed dropshipping in 2017. Will you miss the AI opportunity in 2025? Now, this is an emergency video that I wanted to get out because I want you to be able to jump in to this opportunity. Now, I want to prove to you how massive this is. Now, here's the Google Trends for dropshipping. As you can see, the trend is actually going down, but even with this trend, over 110,000 people are searching how to do this right now. Now, here's the graph for cryptocurrency. As you can see, over 246,000 people are searching this, and it's still a massive opportunity, but right now the trend is also going down. And the last one, which is affiliate marketing, which was the actual thing that got me out of my 9-to-5 job, you can see over 90,000 searches per month. Now I want to get you excited. When you look at the Google Trends for AI, you can see 1.5 million searches per month. That's 10 to 15 times more searches, and it continues to go up. Now, I want you to stick to the end of this video because I'm going to reveal an opportunity unlike anything I have ever revealed before. This is going to allow you to tap into the masses of people trying to learn AI, but you are the one that's actually going to help them learn AI, and you're the one that's going to actually make the money. Now, if you don't know who I am, my name is Jonathan Montoya, and I was able to quit my 9-to-5 job with the affiliate marketing opportunity. And it's still something that I love to teach and something that I will continue to teach. But the thing I want you to understand, in the graph that I showed you, only 90,000 searches per month, which is a ton of searches. But when you look at the AI opportunity, literally 10 to 15 times more searches, which means more opportunities for you. And the way I made my millions before I quit my 9-to-5 job was I recognized these trends. But this one that I see right now is nothing like I've ever seen before. You saw the graph of affiliate marketing, of cryptocurrency, of drop shipping, and then I compared it to the AI graph, and there was way more opportunity because people want to learn how to use this. Now, here's the problem. Everyone wants to learn ChatGPT or Claude or how to use MidJourney or any of these automated artificial intelligence softwares like N8N or agentic AI softwares that do complex tasks for you. Now, you may think that everyone knows how to use AI, but it's not even close. Right now, if you were to speak to 100 random people, maybe 1 or 2 are actually using it. And out of 1,000 people, maybe a few of them actually know how to use AI the correct way. This opens up a massive opportunity for you. But the best part about it is I'm going to show you how you can tap into my exact resources that you can use as your own, and you keep 100% of all the profits. And you need to realize AI is no longer a trend anymore. It's literally taking over our entire lives. Think about it. Every single business wants to use AI to save time, but they don't know how. Almost every employee is afraid that AI is going to take their job. Every content creator wants to use AI to create their content, but nobody is teaching it in a simple beginner step-by-step method actually help them in their business or even their 9-to-5 job. Because AI can even help an employee working a regular job, such as being a lawyer or a CPA or any type of job. So if you're feeling the urgency right now, I want you to lean into it and understand this is where new millionaires are going to be made. Now, if you're excited to jump into this, I want you to say down below, AI is the future. Now, I want to show you what I created. That way you can tap into this as fast as humanly possible. I created an entire step-by-step course, literally showing anyone why they need AI and how to use it. I developed this program that way I can teach even an 80-year-old grandma or grandpa that has no idea what this is. And I go all the way to helping people become 100% certified. That way they can go help other businesses, they can help content creators, or even 9-to-5ers that want to make their job easier. And I promise you, there's never been anything like this ever created. And I want you to be able to use this as your own and make 100% profit. So what I'm doing is allowing my students to resell this course as their own and keep 100% of the profit. They don't even need to create the content. They don't need to create the website, the landing pages, the membership area, nothing. Everything has been 100% created for my students to sell at 100% commissions. Now, at the time of filming this video, we currently have a waitlist to be able to get into this opportunity. So I want you to say waitlist down below if you want access to that list, or make sure to click the first link in the description. That way you can get on the waitlist to get access to this opportunity. That way you can resell and tap into this AI opportunity as fast as humanly possible. And I want you to understand AI is the new gold rush. This is your shovel. I want you to be able to make money with this opportunity, because I was able to make millions with an opportunity which was 10 times less than this. So I want you to get your shovel and get on my wait list. And if you're watching this after it's been released, no worries, you can click the link down below and get access to this opportunity. We'll see you inside, and God bless.